Hello class, one item I omitted from exercise 12-3 were dimensions. A detailed drawing shows all hidden lines and dimensions and associated information needed to build the part. So let's add a few basic dimensions just to practice our annotation skills. Most of these can be done with the simple dimension radius, right? So we can do a radius of the outer circle, we can do a radius of the inner circle, we can do a radius of that inner bore with no problems whatsoever. We can do an overall dimension linearly of the height, like so. And we may even do a dimension showing center line to center line of hole, like this. So that's probably enough just to show that you put some thought into it. The same thing for the gasket. We'll go from center to center to show that those do marry up and match just fine. And then we can do a few radius dimensions for the outer radius, the radius of the hole, and the inner radius, like that. And then lastly, we'll want to do the same for the base. So the outer radius, the radius of a single hole, the inner radius. And we should do a dimension showing the overall depth, and perhaps one showing the depth of the inner chamber as well. Now here we need to call out threads. None of these had, I guess this had threads too, so let's do a Q leader, and we'll point down here at a thread, turn off F8 to start off at an angle, and then turn on F8 ortho. Hit enter, first line of text, so this is M24 by 3, enter, enter, and I can then copy that all the way down to about here and use your grip points to repoint that arrow. And then we'll also need to call out these other threads along the top. So we'll just point through just like so, and those are M8 by 1.25, just like so. Now the only thing we don't show is the overall depth, so maybe we should say M8 by 1.25 by 14. So we've defined the depth of the threads, and then the shop naturally will over drill the 2P, which is 2.5. So I believe that gives us everything. We've located, oh, we should probably locate our holes. One more thing here, just like we did on the others. That way we're proving that all three do indeed stack on top of one another evenly. So we provided all of the information, I believe, that's necessary, just in a simplified format, and that then will complete your exercise 12-3. Thanks for your time.